At home, I'll just be there barbecuing. Hi, my name is Rebecca. I work here at Year Round Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm one of the dispatchers here, and I do answer the phones when you're calling, and then as well I go ahead and dispatch the technicians when they go out to the jobs. One interesting fact about me is when I'm here at work, I like to listen to music, and then at home I'll just be there barbecuing. I like working here at Year Round because I like to help the customers in getting their ACs fixed and everything else they do need.